YAMASA MXM model machines are used to roller burnish cylindrical, plane, and stepped shafts. These machines make tolerance settings and feeding automatically. After taking the workpiece and finishing the burnishing operation, it ejects the workpiece. Besides manual loading, it can be integrated into a production line for serial production. MXM machines can burnish every diameter between 3 and 40 millimeters by changing the roller heads. With these machines, it is possible to burnish various kinds of workpieces quickly, like shock absorber shafts, pneumatic cylinder shafts, rods, piston rods, motor shafts, and pump shafts. Brighten your future. YAMASA.